Hey guys, so we're gonna be doing a little mini Pokemon unboxing with my cousin David. He's been the cameraman in these for a while. So we have a Pikachu and a Eevee GX box, and we have 5 of these booster packs.
And
but
we have one of the
whale ones, but they're the same thing for Primal Clash. So I'm going to be unboxing a little bit of this. And David's going to be unboxing a little bit of this. So I'm going to be giving him 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to be getting 2 because I'm going to be unboxing this box. So I'm going to be giving David 3 and 1 pack from here, and then we're going to be good. So first off, I'm going to unbox our first Primal Clash booster pack. So in these, it only has 1. Right here. So here we have it, a Primal Clash. Now, alright, let's check this out. I'm going to give the code to everyone. Alright, it is a good card. There's going to be a good card in here. Here's the code. Okay, let's go. Hippopotamus, Electric, Phoebus, Lombre. Oh, and so we got our 2 good cards. And I'm going to show you guys the good card. So we have this, and we have this. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Now David is going to be doing his unboxing.
So I'm going to do my unboxing, the same one, but
the same packet, but
different card. I don't know how to say their names, so
yeah, so you could just flip through them. I'll allow that. Because David's not a very Pokemon man. Okay, so let me teach you how to unbox it. So show them the cards. Also, I'll show them the code. Here, give me the back card. Okay, so here is the code, and it's gonna be a good card once again. Holy God, are these all good cards? Okay, there you go.
We have
no, show it to the camera like that. All right.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna get an EX or Mega EX. Come on. No, you're not. Oh, wait.
Well,
if you want,
this guy.
Show them the good card.
Yeah.
You can skip through it, and then you'll show them the good card.
Oh,
you got the. Oh, okay. This is what he got.
And then have this and this and this.
So
he got 2 good
these
cards.
Yeah, these are really good cards actually. So I stole these because I want to unbox 2 of them.
It's fine.
Okay, these are all of our good. So I'll be unboxing the whale now. See if we can get an EX, Mega EX. I don't know. Hopefully, Primal Clash. All right. Let's see what we will be getting. Here's the code. David, put it back where it was originally, and it's gonna be another good card. Okay, ready. Weedle, Borat. Oh no, it's gonna be a bad card. I already know it.
See.
Wait, let me see something. Let me see if it's going to be good or not. It's not going to be good. Oh, well, we ended up not with the EX. So this is what I got. Whoop-ow!
Okay, so I'm going to unbox the same packet.
Just different
cards. I think they know the drill already.
Yeah. We'll be unboxing the last one together.
And then what about this one?
We'll be splitting the pack.
Okay.
Do you want Pikachu or do you want Eevee?
I don't know.
We'll decide later.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so here I have the code. Here's the code.
Here is the code. Now flip it over. It's gonna be another good card. I think Primal Clash only gives out good cards.
So we have this dude. Here we have this.
Okay, I think you spotted the good card.
This.
This is a good card. Oh.
Hold it.
So
this is one of them.
I think this is the only one. David.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our only good card. But it's alright, so we'll be unboxing this together. No, this one.
That's last. Okay, sorry, I forgot.
So yeah, this is the GX box. So let's shake it, blow on it. Alright. Alright. There's something dropped on the floor. Card. Alright, ready?
Unboxing it together.
Oh, yeah, right. Alright.
The code. It's gonna be a good card. I think.
Good card.
I don't know how to tell.
Okay. Timeout. Torchy. Oh, that's a beginner card. Let's keep that. Starry, Lotad, Scarlet, Nighthawk, and Flygon. Oh, well. Flygon. I actually have this card by myself. Here. So, yes, Primal Clash does not give out lots and lots of EXs.
But they give out pretty good.
Yeah, so these are all of our shinies from Primal Clash. You would get a shiny every single one. So here comes that's mine. Here comes the big boy. Here comes the one and only
Eevee Pikachu GX
box.
card box.
So there's gonna be a huge Pikachu Majigima Bobby, but not a huge. I'll be taking Pikachu. You'll take Eevee.
Oh, and we got ultimate packs.
Alright, I got it, right. I got it. Alright.
Start it over.
This is, oh god, they're golden. Holy crap. Okay, so I'll be taking Pikachu.
And I'll be taking Eevee.
Okay, so yeah,
Okay,
let's get the cards
Eevee.
out. Okay.
Hold on, I can't get
Let's do it one by one. Alright. I'm sorry if you guys can't see this, but we'll show it to you in a second.
There you go.
Here's
mine.
the GX version of Eevee. It looks kind of stupid.
And
Here's
you
my
guys-
Pikachu, and here's my.
And you guys probably already know what normal Eevee looks like. Well, if you don't, here's what. It looks
Okay,
like.
so I'm going to be getting. Okay. Oh crap. Okay, I'll get Steam Stage. I'll give you Unified Minds.
What can I get? Okay, sure.
Yeah, Unified Minds is actually pretty good.
Okay.
And you'll get Comic Eclipse.
So
and I'll
who's
get
gonna start
Comic
opening it first?
I don't know. And here's a huge Pikachu card.
Wow.
That's
Okay,
huge.
I'll start first. I'll go
Okay.
first.
Come on.
Open.
So you're gonna be starting out with the Unified Minds.
Yes.
You
So
can
here
you can
we
get.
have the code.
Here's the code, and it's gonna look like there's not gonna be any GXs in there.
Okay.
But
Scratch.
you can show it to the camera.
That's fine.
Alright.
That guy. That guy.
He's gonna be keep
That
bouncing.
person. Snorcut, whatever his name is. This has an ultra boost. That's. I don't
Oh
know.
god. Look what he found. Holy crap.
No GX.
That's a really good card. Holy god, good job. Okay, I'm gonna be opening up the Comic Eclipse because I just want to
This
see.
one.
I want to see this.
Okay, should I get this one?
Yeah, that's yours.
Okay.
No, but after I open
I know.
this, here is the code, and it's gonna nothing good, but maybe it'll have the same thing that David got. All right. Confirm, Notepad, Stordy, Waffle, Rowling, Snowbat, and oh god, that's really good art. I'm gonna keep that. The else are trash.
Okay, so next I'm going
See,
to
Steam
do.
Stage doesn't have GXs, so that's why I got that one.
See, I'm going to do
Comic
the
Eclipse.
Comic Eclipse.
Let's
see what we get. Hey, come on, hey, shut up. So here's the code.
Alright, let's see if it's gonna be a good card. Oh, it's gonna be bad. I thought it was gonna be a really good card.
Oh, this is pretty good art.
Oh god, that's. Look at that! I'm gonna keep that.
That's do bad, whatever. Fishing rod, that, and that. No, nothing good.
So we got
Nothing
a
good.
wish for the Steam Stage to at
Got
least
some
give us
good art.
an EX or Mega EX or a shiny. I don't know, but let's hope it gives us something good. Pray. Amen. Let's go. Bum ba da dum ba da dum ba da dum. Well,
Okay, no
oh
good,
no, the Orbeez.
no good cards.
There's gonna be no good card. So it turns out this is not the best. Oh,
Two of the same thing.
that. So I actually did a really good unboxing. Oh my god, I did a really good unboxing video. It's where I unboxed a booster box, 4 big boxes, and a couple of other cards, so you guys should definitely watch that. But it's gonna be on a 40-minute video. Thank you for watching us. It was just gonna be a little short video where we did unboxing with my cousin. So have a good one, everyone.
Bye.
Peace.